everybody. I'm going to show you how to use your Android phone as a regular tablet. So I got a new phone recently and I can still use this one just with the Wi-Fi. So as you see, I get this error message. What is that? They transferred all the data to the new phone and this one got deactivated. So if I go to my YouTube channel, it says I'm not connected because there's no cellular WAN. So if I go into here and I turn my the Wi-Fi on, so I'm connected to my Wi-Fi, and I go into here, I'm in. So what happened? No cellular network, won't work on the cellular data. So it's deactivated, so I'm just using this as a tablet. It'll work. So anyway, that's it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.